I've always dared to venture into the unknown. I found that adventure isn't something you can just wait around for to show up. It's something that you have to set out and find for yourself. Sure, there's always going to be risks involved, maybe even failures. That just comes with the territory and redefining what's possible. But my ambitions? Well, maybe it's better I shouldn't. This is our journey. For us, this is just the beginning.